Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the image and zoom so the rest is fast. First, pick a clear photo sized around 1920 x 1080 and keep it under 5 MB. This prevents upload errors. Once done, open the Zoom desktop app and sign in because browser limitations can block features. Make sure to update Zoom if prompted. Newer versions handle virtual backgrounds and profile photos better. Finally, decide whether you want this as your profile picture, a virtual background, or a camera overlay, since each path differs slightly. Now you'll upload and apply the photo inside Zoom. If you're changing a profile picture, click your avatar, open My Profile, select Change and Upload. Crop so your face stays centered because Zoom displays a circular crop in meetings. If you want the image as a virtual background, open Settings, go to Backgrounds and Filters, click Add Image and choose your file. Make sure I have a green screen is toggled off unless you actually have one. For overlays, select Video Filters and pick or add your graphic. Finish by confirming and testing so the photo looks right in real meetings. Start a test meeting or use Start Video Preview. This shows how the crop, position, and colors appear to others. If the image flickers or parts disappear, make lighting brighter, move your camera back slightly, or enable a green screen for cleaner edges. If upload fails, reduce the file size, convert to PNG or JPEG, and restart Zoom. These steps resolve most stubborn errors and get you meeting ready quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.